Why mobile? Why now? Because it's no longer emerging. It's here. Why Brunner? Because we've been innovating in the digital space for more than 15 years, helping our clients connect their brands with their consumers in a way that's smarter and faster.
Why now? Because we used to design for this, but now more than a third of cell phone users are viewing the web on this.
We've never been closer or more accessible to the consumer than we are now with any other medium ever.
Mobile has evolved from more than just a connection to friends and family. It's now truly an extension of the consumer's life, bringing information at any point, any time, including the point of purchase.
Mobile is the most important media channel, the fastest growing media channel as well. Technically speaking, it's one of the most interesting channels.
It's all right here. Your social networks, your news, weather, your favorite sports scores, traffic.
Mobile is going to weave digital information into every facet of our lives.
Just like when we committed to web technologies 100%, and we didn't just become a web design firm 15 years ago, we're taking that same approach with Brunner Mobile.
Your calendar, your mom's birthday, your music collection, your camera, your video camera. It's all right here.
Brands need to be prepared with something of value to offer the consumer.
The same core leadership team that's been in place leading Brunner Digital for the past 15 years is now responsible for leading the Brunner Mobile charge.
Your bank account, your dinner reservation, your movie tickets, your stock quotes.
Just a deep-seated 100% commitment to mobile technology across all areas of the mobile experience. And that means media, technology, app development, you name it.
Your email, voicemail, and cats doing very funny things on the internet.
Look, we all know the world is moving faster than ever, and our clients are demanding ideas that are smarter and faster. And right now, there's nothing smarter or faster than mobile.